Hey guys, Fix It John here. I'm working on a 05 Buick LaCrosse, and what's happening is we've got a water leak inside the cabin. So the water is coming down off this windshield and straight into the cabin air filter. So what I did was I made up a piece of flashing, and that's actually a piece of flashing from that the roofers left over. I cut it from that flashing right there. So what's happening is when it rains real hard, we're getting water up under the passenger side of the cabin, just where the fan motor is. So I cut it all out, and I took a wire brush over it, my wire wheel over it, so it wouldn't cut anybody. And the way it goes in is I've got this bent up, so when it slides in up over the cabin air filter. And then it was hanging over the firewall here, probably about out here, and I just took a black marker and traced the bottom of it and cut it out to fit. Now it shouldn't vibrate or rattle. It's in there nice and tight, and it goes up under this little lip here too. So any water running off, it should drain right off the side here, this side or that side, not get any water into the cabin. All right guys, Fix It John here. We're going to get this thing put back together. I didn't show you how to disassemble it because this was a rush job, and I wasn't even going to shoot a video on this, but we got that flashing in there. And I got the hood up and the wipers up. We just got to work this rubber shroud up under the hood. And that fits just like that. Then we got this rubber gasket I pulled off, and that holds that down. But we got this little pin here, just a two-piece body clip. There, not much holding this down. I'm gonna throw this rubber gasket on here. That should stop the leak. There's like a little rubber gasket over here that just fits into little tiny, it's got little tiny nipples on it. You see these little nipples, they fit into these three holes over here. And there's another one here that goes way back over in here. There we go. Now we can put the pin in. Can't get my hands in there. Okay, I got a pair of needle nose pliers. Be able to put it in there now. I just can't get my fingers in there. And that's in there. So yeah, initially we thought it was a windshield. She had a new windshield replaced, and we thought it was coming through the ceiling of the windshield, and I looked and saw that it was coming right there in the vent, right there in the fresh air vent, the intake. So that should fix it for her. So yeah, let me show you where that other body clip went. Right there in the back. That's where the other body clip went, right there. And there's not much to it, just this little cover here this little body clip right there, and that goes into the metal and it overlaps. So remember guys, this is Fix It John. If this video helped you in any way, like and subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.